So you've already installed the Proteus 8 and have manually copied all library content to its respective folder. In here, as you can see on the screen, at the Lab Center Electronics folder here, that's at the library folder here. You've done that already, and still you keep seeing this notification of no libraries found here at Proteus. Now this is how to solve the problem. Go to your file explorer, then navigate to your drive C, go to the program files, then find the folder called Lab Center Electronics. You right click on that, go to properties, then find the security tab, then click edit, then check these options here, especially the full control mode. You apply that, then it will automatically add the libraries. You can see the process here. Everything is checked, it's done. Then you click OK. Then you exit to your desktop, locate the shortcut for Proteus. You right click on that, go to properties, then find the compatibility tab, click on that, then go to run this program in compatibility mode, check that option. It will open the dialog box. Underneath that you find any of these options. I select Windows 7, then you click you check this option, run this program as administrator, then apply and OK. So that's it, you're done. You can start the program, and here is it. So what I want to do is to open a new project just to test this library content and see if it's in there. I've just started a new project that I call Art Library, just a name. So you go to pick devices. I'm looking for a resistor, any suitable resistor. So usually if your Proteus is not set up the right way, you would not be able to see anything when you click on that pick devices. It will just show you no library found. So now I've found my resistor, I've placed it, and for fun's sake I'm going to rotate it. So that's it, guys.